Today I will be reviewing a Whitewall tire cleaner. These are Coker tires, 5 years old. They are now yellow because I've been using their own cleaner from Coker. So I want to try this product now, Duragloss 701 Whitewall Tire Cleaner. I'm not getting compensated by the company or anything, but if you would like to buy one, you can click my link below. What I also use is grade 0000 steel wool, because you really cannot just spray it and expect a miracle to happen. So you need to use some abrasive materials, and this one is good, which is not extremely abrasive, but it's enough to clean the white walls. So the first step is, there's a warning on it: don't use it on highly polished aluminum wheels. I have stainless steel covers, so I'm just spraying these. I will let it sit for 1 minute, then I will wipe it off and wash it. Then I have a brush here. The second application, I will use brush to brush the tire, and the third one will be with the steel wool. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now, so I spray one more time and I will start brushing now. Okay. So now you can see the brown water, and it's definitely better, but still we have these marks which we will work on with the steel wool. I also wash my brush, and I have a piece of towel here for the final application. So for the final application, I have sprayed the tire again, and I have the steel wool now, and you can see how you can see how different it is once you start using the steel wool. So after the steel wool, I will wash it again to see which parts I need to work more. You see it's much better now, but there are a few areas I need to still work using the steel wool. So this is after the second steel wool application. Let's wipe it off. And you can see it's much better now. Although it's not perfect white, still it did a good job.